demonstrating live display of step-by-step calibration method for lever type dial indicator. After clearing the lever type dial indicator, visually inspect it for free movement, repeatability, proper and adequate scaling points, any physical damage or missing parts, etc. Keep the lever type dial indicator for at least 30 minutes for soaking at 20 plus minus 2 degrees centigrade so that the temperature is brought to equilibrium. Before starting calibration, ensure that environment condition is maintained. The temperature should be between 20 plus minus 2 degrees centigrade and humidity should be 40 to 60% RH. For calibration, we will use length measuring machine as reference instrument. This is a lever type dial indicator having range 0 to 0.8 mm and 0.01 mm resolution. This is called measuring stylus. This is dial. And this is change lever. All accessories are fixed. I have already clamped lever dial calibration anvil on measuring axis, dial holding fixture on machine table, driving unit on backside of measuring axis. And now I am holding lever dial in the holding fixture. Here the measuring axis is locked in fine adjustment mode. Now I am applying pressure to the dial gauge till its pointer shows 0. Then I am setting x-axis display to 0. Here I am applying pressure on dial in clockwise direction by fine adjustment. Now set the reading on dial at 8 division, that means 0.08 mm or 80 micron. Calculate the deviation as dial reading minus display reading. Now set the reading on dial at 16th division, that means 0.16 mm or 160 micron. Calculate the deviation as dial reading minus display reading. Similarly, we can perform calibration for all calibration points in normal direction as well as change direction of stylus in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction as per the calibration method. In this way, the demonstration of calibration of lever type dial indicator for one point is completed for this training purpose. You need to perform calibration for all the points such as 240, 320, 400, 480, 560, 640, 720 and 800 micron as per the method.